The fiber holders, also referred to as chucks or sleds, offer a user-friendly option for handling fiber, allowing for a more substantial object to grip. To splice using this method, you need to transition from the factory setup by 1. Removing the sheath clamps from the splicer. 2. Installing set plates in place of the sheath clamps. And 3. Removing the adapter plate from the cleaver. The AD16 adapter plate has the same size and shape as the fiber holder, so removing it allows you to load a fiber holder directly into the cleaver. Each fiber holder has a magnetic lid to hold the fiber in place, along with 2 guide holes to align the fiber holder on the guide pins of the installed set plates. Once your setup is complete, load the fiber into the fiber holder with about 30 millimeters or 1 1/4 inch of fiber extending from the end. Strip the coating off the fiber, clean, sleeve, and position the fiber holder onto the guide pins to secure it in place. Splicing with fiber holders enhances ease of use and minimizes handling errors during the splice. Once loaded into the fiber holder, the fiber doesn't need to be removed until the splice is finished. This ensures consistent cleave length each time, and the fiber's end consistently lands in the same position in the splicer.